Can you trade Forex on Questrade? Questrade, established in 1999, has evolved into a prominent Canadian brokerage firm, offering a diverse range of financial services, including Forex trading. As of December 2024, Questrade provides access to over 100 currency pairs and various CFDs through its Questrade Global platform, powered by Saxo Bank's technology. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. The Forex trading platform offered by Questrade is intuitive and customizable, featuring advanced charting tools that cater to both novice and experienced traders. The platform supports multiple order types, real-time market data, and technical analysis features, enhancing the overall trading experience. The broker offers competitive spreads, with the euro to US dollar spread averaging around 1.9 pips, aligning with industry standards. Additionally, Questrade does not impose inactivity fees, which is advantageous for traders who may not engage in frequent trading. The broker is regulated by the Canadian Investment Regulatory Organization, CIRO, ensuring a level of oversight that enhances the safety and security of client funds. However, there are some drawbacks to trading Forex on Questrade. One of the major limitations is the lack of educational resources, such as articles, videos, and courses, which may be a challenge for traders seeking comprehensive learning materials. The Forex demo accounts offered by Questrade are limited to the web version of the Questrade Global platform, with desktop and mobile versions only supporting live accounts. This limitation may hinder traders who prefer to practice on specific platforms before committing real capital. Additionally, Questrade's Forex trading services are exclusively available to Canadian residents or Canadian citizens residing abroad in permitted countries, restricting access for international clients. Questrade offers an instant deposit feature that allows clients to fund their accounts instantly via Visa debit, with a limit of $3,500 per transaction. This feature is particularly beneficial for traders needing quick access to funds during volatile market conditions. The broker's fee structure is transparent, with no annual fees and competitive trading costs. However, traders should be aware of the minimum deposit requirement of $1,000 to open an account. In summary, Questrade offers a comprehensive Forex trading platform with competitive fees and robust regulatory oversight. However, the limited educational resources and platform restrictions for demo accounts may be drawbacks for some traders. Prospective clients should consider these factors in relation to their individual trading needs and preferences.